everybody, welcome to the VibeHub video where we're going to show you guys how you can make extra crypto by sponsoring game nodes in the Vibe ecosystem. Okay, so let's go ahead and we will create our game node. So whenever you're signed into Vibe.io, you'll click on the three dots here at the top and you'll select create new node. And this will be all your game node details. So first up here, you'll select game node name. So we'll just call it Vibe-1. And here you can select all the different currencies that you can have users play in your game node with. Ethereum, Link, Neo, etc. So we'll go with Vibe today. We'll go with the Kill Death Reward 10. So it'd be Vibe or Die is a crypto first-person shooter, so users earn and lose crypto for every kill or death made during gameplay. So you can set your game mode up so if someone kills you, they get 0.1 Vibe. If you kill them, you get their 0.1 Vibe, and so on for 1 Vibe, 5 Vibe, 10 Vibe, 100 Vibe, and same with, it'd be the same setup as for all these other currencies. There's high stakes and low stakes game types to suit all levels of crypto holding. So for this game node, we're going to select 10 Vibe per kill per death in this crypto FPS game. We'll select our default map as airbase. There's about 8 different maps here. As you can see, we got Subway, Mountain Fort, Neon City. We'll go with airbase. We'll set it up as a death match. 16 players can join your node at one time. And we'll select, then you can select the region you want your game node to be in through all these options. We'll select Amsterdam. You see the sponsorship costs. So it's a 15 Vibe flat rate per day. And you can go up to 30 days. And as you can see here, it will take a minimum of 60 game transactions for a 1-day period. So it's 60 transactions per day for you to break even on your node. And we're going to show you just how easy it is for you to get a lot more than your 15 Vibe back on your node. Okay, so we're going to go with a 1-day sponsorship period. It will cost us 15 Vibe. We need 60 game transactions in 24 hours to break even. So we're going to go ahead and select create. We'll just make sure everything looks good. We got our name. And as you can see up here, this is how your graphic will look in the directory right here. So everything looks nice. We got Vibe, 10 kill death reward. Everything looks great. We're going to go ahead and select create. Great, and you'll see the notification tab, create new node successfully. Please allow up to 10 minutes for node to complete building. So as we see here, we already have volume and revenue going. Our node just started and we have presently 2 players on it. So let's hop into a game. Let's see how many transactions and revenue we can generate with the amount of players. We'll see how many players show up, and we'll just add highlights throughout this match that we're playing. Oh, sorry, Matt. Good kill. Alright guys, so as you can see here on the Vibe-1 node that we started, we just had a game of Vibe or Die. As you can see here on the countdown timer, this node has been live for 3 hours. We played about 2 hours worth of gameplay, and we generated 6,040 Vibe volume on that node, and for a total of 151 Vibe revenue is what you made. So it cost you 15 Vibe to sponsor the game node, and your total revenue, your total profit was 151 Vibe. So that's a 1,000% return in about 2 hours of gameplay, and we had about 4 to 6 players playing for that 2 hours. So as you can see, you know, if you had players playing consistently all day, you know, 4 to 6 players, sometimes you have more, sometimes less, it can be very profitable to sponsor game nodes in the Vibe ecosystem. Like if you already have an existing community, that's even better. Or, you know, if you have friends that want to play, or, you know, it could even become a profitable opportunity to promote your own node through various social media platforms. So it's really good stuff going on here, and we're very excited about it. And sponsoring game nodes also won't be just limited to Vibe or Die. We're developing a new game for the web browser where game nodes, any games in the Vibe ecosystem will be built on through sponsoring game nodes, so users can earn a percentage of the transaction fees generated through gameplay. So pretty good. It costs 15 Vibe to sponsor the node, and you made 151 Vibe for 2 hours of gameplay. So that's pretty cool. So that's it, everybody, for this video on how much you can make by sponsoring master game nodes in the Vibe ecosystem. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and if you have any questions or comments, check the description box below for how to join our Telegram support group. We'll be seeing you all again soon.